So I forgot to do the morning check-in this morning before we left camp, but we're already on the road. Bike's here. And we were stopped in a little town that I forgot what it's called now. But it's very cool. And you got this little trading post here. And you got a little cafe over there. So we're gonna get something to eat. Look at these rocks up behind us. It's pretty badass. So we're heading to Boulder, Utah today. So we've got taking Highway 95 across, but it's supposed to be a pretty scenic highway on the route. And that's kind of it. So that's where we're at. Have a good morning, and I'll check in later on tonight. Bye-bye.
James River Blues. I just heard the awful news. I could steer around the rocks, but they're busting down the dock. James River Blues. That train came on through, and the work's gotten slow. Now where's the boatman to go? I think I'll float.
Well, here we are on the side of the road.
Stripping down.
Highway 95 between, I think it was called Brandley or something like that. Brandley.
Yeah.
And heading out towards Boulder. Just taking a little break.
Hatch something is be the first one you hit.
The place we had breakfast was Bluff. I couldn't remember the name of it earlier. Look how beautiful the sky is. Look at all this rock. It's great. Yeah, we're all stripping down gear because it's colder this morning. It isn't cold now, so everybody's getting down to some lighter stuff. It's not Texas summer hot, but it's getting hot.
Can I handle the seasons of my life?
Can you hear me calling out your name? You know that I'm falling.
We're gonna be past this storm in like, we're gonna be through this damn thing in like 2 minutes, I think. Don't slow down, let's go. Unless the highway turns right back up into it. I thought we were skirting around it. You see we got some clear skies back here. What a freaking mess. No, we don't need to put our rain gear on. This is great. Well, I think we'll be coming out of this. Where's my blue skies? The radar showed it clear enough. We thought we could skirt around the edge of it. Oh, look at that butte. That's pretty sweet. Ah, it's so beautiful out here. Well, now I'm wet and I'm freezing, so I got that going for me, which is nice. We might be putting on rain gear here. Well, we made it to our destination tonight. We've got an Airbnb right here behind me. We're in Lyman, Utah, which we went through a couple little towns, Torrey and Boulder. Got caught in a rainstorm, and that was pretty cool. And I think I got it all filmed, so that's gonna be kind of fun to look at. And that rain hurt. I was just glad there was no hail coming down. It's been a long day. And here's what this town looks like. We're right here in the middle of all these mountains. It's like something out of Little House on a Prairie. Just mountains all around surrounding these little towns are going through. They're just gorgeous. It's so cool. I'm sure in the wintertime they're, snowed under by 2 feet, but it's very cool right now. And of course, everything's nice and green because they held that snow all winter, but it's what a cool town. So anyway, very big day, very eventful day, and I will get some footage lined up and get a video going on that. I'm still a day behind too because I haven't had any Wi-Fi or I've had a bad signal for a while, so it takes Wi-Fi to do that stuff. So anyway, That's all I got. We're gonna get moved in here once we get a combination to get into the Airbnb and then go find a place to eat. The lady across the street was very nice. She said there's a place 3 miles down the road that has home cooking. So that's what I'm gonna do. That sounds good to me.